traveling to Kuala Lumpur International Airport from Hong Kong International Airport on Malaysian Airlines. I am on the 737-800, Boeing 737-800. So these are nice seats. So some of the things, you have some headphones for your seat, for your screen, blanket. This is cushion, nice cushion seat. Seat pocket, tray table, and remote control. I can't take it out. And then the screen for the movies. Thank you.
Thank you.
各位大家好，我们来前的班级主任李先来小姐，以及现场会员们各位。
So right here is an outlet where you can plug in your USB cord. Right above my seat is the air vent, and you can adjust it by turning it clockwise or counterclockwise. This is the button for my individual reading light, and this is the button to call a flight attendant. For the meal service on board this flight, you have a choice of the Malay Classic Nasi Lemak or an omelet with chicken sausage. I decided to go with the Malay Classic Nasi Lemak. Okay, so on this meal tray, we have the fruit plate, and on this fruit plate, we have one of my favorite exotic fruits, the dragon fruit, a Granny Smith apple, grapefruit, and cantaloupe. Also on this tray we have pineapple yogurt. We also have a pack of peanuts and anchovies for your nasi lemak. And we have salted peanuts. We have some water in a plastic sealed container. We have a muffin. And here we go, guys. Alright, the nasi lemak. So the nasi lemak on this flight to Kuala Lumpur has all the key components of a nasi lemak. You have the curry chicken, you have the coconut flavored rice, you have the hard boiled egg, and you have the chili sauce that makes this nasi lemak taste very delicious. Okay guys, so it's really important that you also add the packet of dried anchovies and peanuts to this nasi lemak, because without these components you don't have a classic nasi lemak. For airplane nasi lemak, this is not too bad, but once I reach Malaysia, I cannot wait to have an authentic plate of nasi lemak. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoy my trip report on board Malaysian Airlines, a 737 from Hong Kong to Kuala Lumpur. And if you guys haven't done so yet, please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, and also be a part of the notification gang by clicking on the bell icon so you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video. Have a good day, guys. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.